Hello friends, so today we are going to learn how to add signature in Gmail with logo using a laptop. So open your Gmail account and click on the settings button which is there on the top right corner. Click on settings, click on see all settings, scroll down under the general tab, scroll down and here you will see signature. So there is no signature created for now. You have to click on create new, give the signature name. I'm creating one signature for personal. After giving the name, type what you want to add in the signature, like thanks and regards, Mark Anderson, Senior Manager, mywebsite.com, www.mywebsite.com, and mobile 9. That's all. You can format it. You can make this as a hyperlink. You can make this bold. You can make this bold. You can make this bold, or whatever as per your requirement. You can do the editing of the text. And now let's add a logo. So click on this image icon, insert image icon. I have added already two logo in my drive, so click to select the logo which you want to add. You can see the logo has been inserted. Now you can select the size of logo, either small, medium, large or original. So I'll go with the small size. Okay, so you can see this logo has been added under the text. And now scroll down. One more thing. After adding the text and logo in the signature, now select where you want to add the signature in your email. For new emails to use, personal, only for reply and forward, use personal. You can create other signature as well, for example, business purpose or marketing purpose or other purpose. After selecting these options, click on save changes. That's all. Now click on new email. See, signature has been already added in the new email. You can change the signature from here itself. Click on this pencil icon, insert signature and select which signature you want to add in this email so that you can add that signature in your new email. So hope you have learned how to add signature with image logo in your Gmail account. Thanks.